Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought of quickly showing you shortcut to round chapati today. So roll out chapati in whichever diagram you would like to, and I'm taking a cap of one of the plastic container. Press it on your unshaped so-called chapati and take out the excess part like this. And here we are ready. That's it. And see how round that is. Lovely chapati. And I'm placing this on hot tawa now. Make sure the tawa is hot. Now on this side, I call it side A, just for the better reference. On side A, we want to cook this chapati on a high flame and look for the small bubbles appearing on the side B, which is this side that you can see. And now flipping this B side on the tawa and slow down your gas. Now side B has to cooked very well on the tawa itself. Okay, it's almost ready. Now increase the flame, use a tongue and flip side A on the gas, on the stove I mean. Okay, and here this is a secret to round fluffy chapatis. It takes no time to cook. You can apply butter or ghee. I prefer ghee. You can eat with dal or vegetable. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care.